Today I'd like to show you Smittybilt's newly redesigned Generation 2 XRC rear bumper with tire carrier for the Jeep JK Wrangler. The sleek new design features an aggressive look with raised corners for increased ground clearance and greater departure angles for conquering the harshest of off-road obstacles. The Smittybilt Gen 2 XRC bumper is equipped with two solid D-ring mounts and two trail jack connection points that are welded inside and out for maximum strength, a Class 3 rated tow hitch, and internal mounting points for LED light bars. The most significant change to the XRC rear bumper is the newly redesigned spare tire carrier. This is a bolt-on option that can be purchased with the bumper or separately. The new design mounts directly to the tailgate and includes a frame pivot point for added strength and tuned one-hand operation. For more information on Smittybilt's newly redesigned XRC rear bumper and tire carrier for the Jeep JK Wrangler, give us a call or visit us online.